Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a sliding gate motor. First, we will cover the essential steps for a safe and efficient installation. It is crucial to understand all components and safety measures before beginning. We will ensure your gate is perfectly aligned and moves smoothly. Then, we will gather all the necessary tools, such as a drill, various wrenches, and electrical testing equipment to prepare for the task ahead. Next, let's focus on the mechanical setup. Begin by securely mounting the motor onto a stable concrete pad, ensuring it is perfectly level for optimal operation. Then, carefully attach the gear rack to your gate, maintaining a precise gap of 2 mm between the rack and the motor's pinion gear. This small gap is vital for smooth movement. Finally, double-check that the gate's entire travel path is completely clear of any potential obstructions. Now we move to the electrical wiring, a critical step for functionality and safety. Connect the main power supply, usually 240 volts alternating current, to the motor's control board. Next, wire the safety photocells, positioning them at a height of 500 to 600 mm from the ground to detect obstructions. Finally, install and connect the limit switches. These are essential for precisely defining the gate's fully open and closed positions. For our final step, we will focus on testing and adjustment. Begin by performing initial tests to confirm that your gate opens and closes correctly and smoothly. Then, carefully adjust the motor's force and speed settings to achieve optimal and quiet operation. It is crucial to thoroughly test all safety features, including the photocells and the manual override mechanism, to ensure complete security and functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.